Say hi, Robbie.
Hi, Robbie.
Who else are you going to say hi to?
Mom.
Okay, say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Who else are you going to say hi to?
Fence.
Fence? You going to say hi to the fence? Okay.
Hi, Fence.
Can you say hi to Lola?
Hi, Lola.
Can you say hi to Grandma? Can you say hi to Grandpa? Can you say hi to Wheels? Say it louder. Say hi, Wheels. Say hi, Katie. Say hi, Ashley. Say hi, Dad. And who else? Say hi, Nicole.
Hi, Nicole.
And say hi, Daryl, Uncle Daryl. Say hi, Uncle Daryl.
Hi, Robbie.
Say hi, Danielle.
Hi, Dad.
Say bye.